Today's recipe is the beautiful classic Colcannon recipe from Ireland. Coming up to St. Patrick's Day, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you a little bit of my version of how I do it in Australia, because we can't get that leafy green cabbage, but we can get kale. And what I've done here is I've probably got about 6 cups of this cabbage combined with kale. I've tried to use the greenest cabbage that I can find, and as you can see, it's not that green. In Ireland, they have this beautiful green cabbage which they use. I've got some finely shredded spring onion, and I've got some coarse spring onion. We're going to use Ireland's best butter, which is Kerrygold. I love this butter. It's going to go perfect with this dish. Got myself about 6 potatoes here, which I have just chopped up. We want to get these on to boil. I'm going to put a little bit of salt into the water. We can season and adjust that later on with some cracked black pepper. This recipe is a side dish which is going to go tonight with my pepper steak pie. Okay, so I'm going to get the potatoes on first, get those nice and soft, and then we'll go through the rest of the ingredients. Okay, my potatoes are now cooked. I'm going to just remove them from the hot water, because I'm going to use this same pot to blanch off the kale. Put the kale into the hot water, and we want to get it back onto the stove. Okay, so my potatoes have been draining. I want to put them into my bowl. My kale and cabbage just come off. Let that drain through. I want to mash my potato. Now, the difference between Colcannon and chump is chump should be smooth. Colcannon should be a little bit coarse, so you don't need to mix it onto a smooth consistency. So, cracked black pepper, kale and cabbage. Alright, let's get some of this best butter in the world. Kerrygold butter. Oh, good knob of that. Maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. Get that in. Cracked black pepper again. That butter just melt through there. Bloody delicious, tell you what. Gonna add all those coarse spring onions through there. I'm going to save the chopped up ones for a little bit of garnish at the top. That, oh, bloody beautiful. Alright, let's get it into our serving bowl. Now, sprinkled everything on top, just a bit of that Kerrygold pure Irish butter on the top there. Bloody hell, you can't go wrong. So there you have it. You've got potato, salt, black pepper. You can use ground white pepper if you want to, if black's too harsh, or don't put the pepper in at all. Combination of the finely chopped spring onion and the coarse spring onion, giving that contrast in both areas. So now, of course, I've got to give it the taste test, right? Let's have a taste. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. This would go really well with a steak pie, steak and Guinness pie. Goes well with anything. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and until next time, have yourselves a fantastic week. Take care. I know it's not steak and Guinness, it's a steak and pepper pie. Oh, but I tell you what, perfect for St. Patrick's Day. This, a pint of Guinness. You cannot, my friends, go wrong. Oh my God, oh, I'm getting too excited now. It's so good. I'm lost for words, to be honest. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. See you on my next video. Take care.